Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a tool or a website that I found inside internet 6 weeks ago. It's called as Retriever AI. I've given the link in the description of the video. It does provide its own API as well for calling different AI models. And apart from that, they also have a playground section where you can even try all the tools online. So once you go to the website, the landing page will look something like this, and they also provide you free credits. Once you sign up, you can try this platform for completely free. So if you access their cloud platform and you click on sign up, you can use your Google account to simply sign up in 2 minutes. So it's a really good platform, and once you sign up, just use your Google account. So it hardly takes 2 minutes to sign up. After you sign up, you will get some sample credits. So once you sign up successfully, inside your account, if you go to the settings option, you will basically see these are all the models: Gemini Flash, Gemini Pro, Gemini Flash. So the key sections are available right here. If you see, if you click on that, right here you can create a new API key. Simply give it a name, and your API key will be created. So you will see the API key will be created. You simply copy this key, and you can even test this in playground section as well. They also have their playground section where you paste this API key directly, and this can be used for scraping purposes. If you want to, from this website, if you want to retrieve the top 5 articles, titles and authors, it can analyze your PDF file, CSV file, summarize a page, do web scraping as well. So directly it has a playground section. So you will see that they also have given this call request if you want to directly call this API. So they have a good documentation as well. So they have given all the examples in different source codes. They also have a CLI version as well. So you will get this response like this. The top articles from this website, such as the author, title, everything will be included. So this output is in Markdown. If you want the output in JSON, it will look something like this. So from this you can build any kind of application. So I showed you this is in playground section. You can get an API key as well. And the thing is that they also have a CLI version as well. You can directly install the CLI. Just copy this command and paste this command. So directly you can install the CLI directly inside your machine. Enter it. So once you install this, you simply execute this command to authenticate. So it will do the authentication for you. It will log in. It will open the browser, and if your authentication is incomplete, what you can do, the token that you created, you can directly paste that token, the API key that we already created. So, so you can paste this API key. So your authentication will be saved. And after that, what you need to do, uh, if you see right here, simply write rtrvr. The command will be successful. So now the CLI is successfully installed. So you can ask any sort of question here. So you can see we simply ask a question, RTV run command. So basically it is as executing it, it will simply give you the top 10 frameworks. So it actually does the scraping in the new tab. It opens the new tab, does the actual scraping and then shows you the actual result. So it's a CLI tool. In the background, it's calling different AI models. It's a very great tool. So it does provide you with sample credits, free credits as well. So it gives you this top 10 frameworks of Node.js. So right here, if you see, so they also have this web agent, as you can see. You can go to any website and find the price of iPhone 15 Pro, fill out the contact form with my information. It can do all the stuff. It can fill out forms, get information directly. So right here it shows you how much credits it has used, 14 credits, how many left, 171. So you get a total of 200 credits and you get this response as you see in a JSON-like structure. So directly as you can see. So if you want to make an application, you can simply say build here. So you can ask any kind of question. So this is a great terminal agent for doing any kind of stuff related to AI. It can analyze your PDF documents, CSV files. It can build out applications. So I have showed you all the ways. Retriever AI, this is the address of the website. So you can see that. So definitely try this tool.